All right, we're here August 10th at the DMV in Cherry Hill. I'm here with Scott, who's about to take his test. You're more than ready. I know you're gonna pass this test without any problems. You got any words, buddy? How you feel?
No, I'm feeling good about it. I'm ready to take the test head on, and I'm ready to pass it today.
That's right, man. You're more than prepared, and I know you're gonna ace this, all right? And right after we finish and you pass, we'll do the update to show the world how good you did. All right, champ? All right, man. I wish you the best. Good luck, and I'll see you soon. All right, I'm here with Scott from this morning. I told you were gonna do a great job, buddy. I was wishing you the best. You demonstrated your skills. You were more than ready. The examiner said you did a fantastic job. You lost 0 points. You got anything to say, champ?
Thank you very much to Easy Wheels for helping me get everything straight so I didn't lose any points on my pre-trip, and for helping me out with everything.
Well, that's wonderful news, buddy. I'm so happy for you. I know you have a job with Public Works. Hopefully this all works out for you now. And I guess I'll see you one day on the road, champ. You take care, okay? Congratulations.
Thank you.